For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The COVID-19 pandemic has wreaked havoc in many parts of the world. Many countries are still coming to terms with the deadly pandemic. Brazil happens to be one of the worst affected countries in the world. At the moment, Brazil stands as the second worst affected country in the world after USA. Many businesses and mostly tourism have shut due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. Now, circus performers have come up with something unique for the public in Rio de Janeiro. Circuses and many other performances have been on hold due to the pandemic. After almost 4 months of being unable to perform due to the pandemic, clowns, jugglers and artists of a circus in Rio de Janeiro found a solution to go back on stage. They created a drive-in circus for the people of Rio de Janeiro. Inspired by the model used for cinemas, the new alternative performance inside the circus tent can ensure social distancing measures are still observed amid the continued crisis. The entertainment industry was hit hard when it had to stop its activities during the pandemic, and the circus was no exception. For this circus performer, having the circus closed for months was like losing a loved one.
A gente foi como quando você perde uma pessoa querida. A gente perdeu o circo. Perdemos o circo por 4 meses. E sem ter uma esperança de volta, até encontrar a vacina. E hoje, graças a Deus, a gente está tendo a oportunidade no modo drive-in de começar as apresentações de novo. Então, para mim, é uma felicidade muito grande, uma emoção muito grande estar fazendo parte desse novo projeto.
A few artists have to share responsibilities, and after performing on stage, they sell tickets or help at the food court that delivers the popcorn and beverages to the audience in their cars directly. The tent has capacity for 40 vehicles, and the price of the ticket per car is between $15 to $20. The circus administrator felt that it was a great idea to have a drive-in circus for work to resume.
Então, a gente lembrou, né, da época de cinema drive, de antigamente, né? Esse tempo todo parado, a gente pensando uma forma da gente poder tirar um pouco do estresse também que a pandemia nos trouxe. E veio a ideia, né, o circo drive, a gente fazer como no cinema, né? As famílias virem ao circo e assistir esse grande espetáculo, ter essa alegria novamente nesse tempo duro, né, que nós estamos passando nessa quarentena.
The city councillor William Cesar took his family to the show and said that his children were very excited.
A minha filha, por exemplo, estava já, desde quando eu avisei a ela que ia ter o circo, ela já ficava, papai, é hoje, é hoje, é hoje. E ter esse contato com a cultura é fora de sério, né? É surpreendente, está adorando. Muitas vezes é ela que está buzinando, que a gente não consegue aplaudir, não consegue ouvir, mas a gente substitui pela buzina.
The circus, which started in 1898 in Portugal, has been in Brazil for 30 years and for the first time had cars parked around the stage instead of a crowd of people. From car windows, children and adults enjoyed the show, where claps were replaced by car horns and flashing headlights. People are hoping that such activities continue in the long run amidst the pandemic.